Okay. Enumerating an enum has been a quite common question among developers. So today we're going to look at how to enumerate an enum. Let's start. So first thing we need is a enum. So we pick vehicle as my enum. Okay, let's create the enum. Then we add some vehicle types. And boat, bike. Okay, we got few vehicles. Then we have our enum. Now it's time to iterate through the enum. So what we need next is a for each loop to go through each item. So let's get for each loop. So my variable type is vehicle. Call it my vehicle. Then in my vehicle type, collection. Okay, we need to use system. Dot get values with the type of my type, which is vehicle. Okay, we have now our for each loop iterating through each vehicle and getting the value. So let's print it out. Console.write line to write the output. What I want to write is my vehicle. Okay, in order to keep the console up, I'm just adding a console.read line. Okay, I have my enum here. I have my for each loop here. Let's see how the result look like. Okay, we got our results. So here is my enum and here is the printed version. So just mix it up a bit and rerun again. Okay, now we have a new enum. Let's run it. Okay, so it iterates through each item. So that's how we easily enumerate an enum. It's just 3 lines of code. Thank you. If you have learned something new or you would like to watch more similar videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.